Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Johnny Datsun. A little update on my dash that me and my son have been working on. A little update for the wrecker. Check this out. Looking very nice. Almost done. I got the original radio there. I got all the button. Everything is tight. Everything is smooth. I also got a new lock, key lock. Looking very nice, all cleaned out the way she's supposed to be. There you go. Now let me show you guys around here. This is some of the parts that we're building for the other one, for the next 510 wagon. So we've been a little busy lately, so this is another switch for the other one that we have to replace. We got a lot of little parts here. So let me go around. Yeah, this one is almost done. So pretty soon it should be organizing the cables and run them where they got to go through. But it's looking very nice. All right, so let me show you guys the other part now. There goes Mean Gene over here building another one. Got two of them right there. I'm gonna walk in here and show you guys. This is what we up to right now. Looking for all the parts and everything, because again I still have to work with this one too, but we're just trying to put all the parts together because it's hard when you have so many parts. They all get misplaced. This is the other part for the steer column for this one. I got to replace another part for this one. Backlights, been looking around to add them together. This is right here, the metal dash for this one. The metal dash, which is already all painted nice and everything, is clean, ready. So when I'm done with the body work and all the painting, and then we could just slap it right in there. And the bottom, as you guys know, is all done and clean. So basically we're just going looking for parts, all the vents. We got the compartment door. We got clean these out. He's got an extra one. We got a couple of extra ones that we always save. So when we pick up all the Datsuns, we got seats, a couple of rubber pieces. Yeah, these are the housings for the backlights. Not bad. You know, we'll clean this out real good, have them sprayed, and we'll look like new. There you go. This is a little inventory here. I told my son this is great, nice, great yard sale here. But yeah, this is all keeper parts that we need. So there you go. So now let me go around this way now, and Gene right there building the other one. This is how the dash looks, all done, beautiful. Yeah, we did everything all new key. Now it's got the locking system. It locks very nice, you know. So I did the floors already. I painted all the floors white, so they clean. And I'm gonna put the paddings and the rubber pieces where they go. You guys can see the whole back is already all painted and everything, so it's looking really nice. So then we can put back the rug and put back the seats. We got all the seats, we got the rugs, and should be done. And then we just got to do is just fire this baby up. All right, I wanted remove that radio. That radio staying there. That's the original factory radio, Datsun. It's gonna have everything working. The heater system is gonna be working. Everything's gonna be working on this. So looking very sharp. All right, guys. Keep you guys updated on the next video. Until the next one. Ciao.